Weko maidia todie sherehe. Weko maidia todie sherehe.
Negwa.
Todie toradimo maisha no maya.
Oka.
Todie toradimo maisha no maya. Aembe kwa sharia mama radime.
Meko. Ate todie torakene maisha no maya.
My name is Rachel Wairimo Mwariwagedeji from Woodford Academy, grade 6, ready to present a poem. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. And before I will start, I would like to call John and Kelly. It's yet another beautiful day that we are all gathered here to celebrate the wedding of Kelly and John. Like Jesus Christ and the church, you have joined in love. Like Adam and Eve, you have become one. I was so excited for this day and wondered if I am so excited, how is John and Kelly feeling? Until I could imagine John singing about Kelly. Detaga nyamosha gedaka mwedwa retwariaku nyamosha gedaka mwedwa retwariaku. On the other hand, Kelly singing about John. Noni ejata yaku rofaru rwaku Johnny ariagene mwige wagatha gugekeno gyakwa nowe wiki. Then Kelly na Johnny hoya netoka goshera hoya Tokyo naga ohikyo wanyu modhaka ae hoya Kelly na Johnny hoya tanyita na imoko hoya moni ado oria wedo wanyune modhaka na matima heni wedo yone moradhime reke ito maradhime totare makoro ae oya. Then Kelly, in the book of 1 Peter chapter 3 verse 1, it says, wives, submit to your husband. John, as the man of the house, in the book of 1 Peter chapter 3 verse 7, it says, husband, be considerate and respect your wife. And by doing so, and in prayer, God will bless you. And before I finish, I will finish with a song. Weko maidia todie sherehe. Weko maidia todie sherehe.
Negwa.
Todie toradimo maisha no maya.
Oka.
Todie toradimo maisha no maya. Aembe kwa sharia mama radime.
Meko.
Meko sharia mama radime.
Madire.
Madie magakene maisha no maya. Madie magakene maisha no maya. I thank you.
Ate todie torakene maisha no maya. Ate todie torakene maisha